Mataka pinanganikuan ang wasaning oran ni Pakadami Singa. Good morning, Ouch Palagi Show.
Yeah.
Good morning.
And thank you once
Must
again.
be Monday.
What?
Must be Monday.
What a nice day, eh? Good morning to all those tuning in everywhere. Ni mulu binaka ni Andra na sema tumai na bese burubur tali so. Batal laki na bikim ni sema tumai lamani lori. Taxi na minibus. Mulu binaka Western boy.
Mulu binaka Western Current.
Mara na kaniliba.
Mulu binaka to all the drivers out there. Thank you very much to Tamay Miri and the family. They passing Pussy.
Right.
The eyes of the cat, they're already down now.
Right.
Thank you very much, and also to the passengers for Tamay Miri.
Good morning.
From the Matani Pussy to the Motonera.
Yeah.
To the Mbuni Pussy right now.
Alright.
Matakali Arna na balik saran na do matabuli chumay. Ano matakani ko. Kami ni sar live chumay and a VDFM Facebook page. Matalaki na bikim ni sema tumay and a VDFM YouTube channel. Kay na VDFM TikTok account.
Right.
Good morning. Thank you for tuning in.
Right. Hey, how are you, Eleanor?
I'm very good.
How are you? I'm well, thank you.
Mula binaka to emosi. This is a turang ni Korof Semon Nanronga. Not forgetting Levi Naimawi.
Right.
Nanrau Nanronga na bosa.
Right.
And also to Uto na Sesevia.
Uto.
Senimelia.
Right.
Ongoli. Odreus Nanronga. William Andreu. Thank you very much for joining this morning.
Lazaro Ger Tambo tuning in on somewhere in the
Yes,
in the
Lazaro Ger Tambua and Binaka Mengay Bambultika na Lamanilor na IQ 654.
Right.
Revetiko Ratuno Angerea.
Yeah.
Flynn nga nabukitiko ni Bebotay.
Yeah.
And matakabin na kanikua.
Melina Dalevu. Kaya nung kumbula binaka pa rin binaka Bless Monday and the Dalevu family.
How come kayo no? Muiswara mkanta mo?
Yeah, we are from the same branch. Taray bini kuma kamanalangi, Bilesenia, Tamay Meremay, and not forgetting one and only.
Yeah.
Fala from the Sabu Sabu Black Guest Taxi.
Okay.
This is what's the name?
Oh,
Mitun.
Yeah. Good morning, Mitun. Thank you so much for tuning in. Binabalib Sara na siya tumay and mataka binaka ni ko. Bano ni binakataltungan ni Bikim ni Sara na siya tumay na koro. Bikim ni na Maramatina. Who's?
Yeah.
Bano ni binakataltungan ni Bikim ni and kaya nanding kita kamay na VDFM and mataka ni ko. Say good morning to all tuning in from overseas.
Yeah, to all the overseas base, thank you very much. Some of us Western Arusa, now back to base. See the Mitch and the crew, and not forgetting the mummies,
Yes.
the people out there for joining this
mummies.
morning.
Okay. How about do madami ka na wala ni Vento Moni, eh?
Yeah.
Wala ni Vento Moni and mataka ni kuwa. Okay. Kime Zeera?
To Zeera.
Au redha na matamu ni sawa kamay na kalo-kalo and sigile ututu.
You look like a miracle star in the day night.
Na nomu yambe sawa ka endua na koli yambe mai enandela ni Vainoko.
Your moving technique is like a doggy inside the sand.
Na wale ni nona moy ningai sawa ka saranga endua na ngonele walutu mai lang.
Your movable of the walking skills under the earth now is look like someone is drawn from the earth upwards in the sea. Zeera.
Yeah.
There's something
Zebra.
painful, Zebra crossing.
Yeah.
It's something very painful of me when I see you now.
O senga mataga ni tatau bayau and anomu beauty au tu mai bakaongo.
You never conclude to leave me like this in the daytime.
Hollywood.
Hollywood ko na pa kama-kama.
Au mai tu ngali liongo ka sandona ka na kena musita nelongo na ibaro lolo birao da kama.
I'm lonely now and I feel pain right now because of that menace you do.
Okay, na matai ningo na ndarua sota kina.
I take back on the very first time we met you. Was very unpointable. Siya indusiraw.
Enandona rukuni buni nyumbalavu.
There's one underneath. One post hole space. Sinrani masi yan naka.
Ena venga una ndaron do sota ena longa new ena batini soana.
Whenever we meet you under the green plantation
and the people on you.
Akam?
Sempre dia dikir. Aunque ina numa na woti nimbongin da ruwa sota kina.
I think of the very last night we met.
Awana numa ni lutu mai na niu mai dake.
I thought that was the coconut was fall from top.
Aunque kita wai muri ni lutu mai mbamba.
Now I know that coconut was underneath on the right hand field.
Yes, I saw ojitu.
But this one was already husky. Kanida manganda tinapuno bulang. Ada betul tabal na niung ko siya tali lutu may dake nomol tungor ni lutu may dake. Siya nga kuang ko sa sini nomol. Tabale na niung ko lutu may bamba. Dia sa suo titu.
Laumiri.
Binabale bu Punjas Zeera quality product from Punjas Biscuits. Thank you.
Nabale besar tumai na mataka binanga ni kuba ni binanga tuan ni buku ni be sema tibono da banga ndindui and da toka ni boli mekina ke mani ket sar live tumai and mataka binaka ni kuwa sar tumai gori
Iya, lote rekambula yang binaka, pa yang serta ngabi semsoni rokowa, sema tiku mena tonga mati ni singa, en mata kamena ni kuas Sadam, papi mbai ni balu, murudola, kalau ngata na hinga ni kuah, apa kata laki no bambul tala be bilai senia sama bol tiku minggo, no conclude, balet ni siang na introduction.
Le.
Anayandra, iyo wane dangi, Lija Christian, batiki mereani, di madho kana wai mati ni singa ruang bule binaka Tamara Jones wate ke ilikini rongoya sama tiko mai na ndo yan binaka nan rewa ni za logistics ndo to botol to men mata na ni ko yan binaka men talanga lo ni kororewa Sela Sambea to na no mate la orto ndo botol to mai melina da lebu ke kefi tako era buku tiko ni sema mai tadi rua yan mata ka na ni
ko do ko mistaka chikita ka
who's
John Kumar.
Oh, Mbulabai, I went down to Singatoka for the calendar sale. You never there. You never come. I say hi to you through the live this morning.
Where were you?
Who's?
Oh, John Kumar.
Yeah, he was in the valley.
Good morning, John Kumar. Good morning.
Jungar ni balu yan rabinaka Nathan na isorro binabale besar na siyam tumay yan rabinaka vi Sunita Devi. Esa kay tamay Roni banu ni binautuan ni siyam sar tumay mango may na yatulaw. Tamay jaka puling galaw. Thank you so much for tuning in and thank you so much for the coconut that came across the border.
Okay.
Punjas.
Kita mito sadaba like taka, hataka, setaka, share nanda live na matabi na ni kuwa.
Ya umika galong bola.